How to use Life 360 for beginners. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into Life 360, the popular family tracking app that helps you keep track of your loved ones and stay connected. So if you're a beginner and you're wondering how to use the Life 360, in this video we have got you covered. So let's just walk you through the basics step by step. So let's just get started. First thing first, if you haven't already, you can go ahead and download the Life 360 app from your device. It is available on both iOS and Android. So head over to App Store or Google Play Store and search for Life 360 and download it. Once it is downloaded, you're just going to open it up and you will be finding this kind of interface after you have created your account or logged in into your account. So Life 360 works based on circles, which are basically groups of people you want to stay connected with, whether it's your family, friends, or a group of co-workers. For that, you can go ahead and add up a person. You can find this people section here. This could be something like your family or your close friends. You can add people to a circle by sending them an invite. You can do this by entering up their phone number or even an email address or sending up their code. Once you have accepted, they will be added to a circle. And next thing you need to do is set up your profile picture. Make sure the app has all the necessary permissions. You can go to your profile. So what you can do is add up your name, photo, and any other details and make sure to grant the app location permissions. This is essential for it to track your location and show you real-time updates of your circle members. So the next thing is if everyone has already joined up your circle and granted the location permissions, you will be able to see where they are on a map in a real time. Other than that, it also offers different features, like plus alerts or driving reports, emergency help, and you can also always edit out your circle or remove members if needed. You can just go ahead and tap on this remove option or go to this gear icon as well. And once here, you can find the circle management section. From here, you can edit up your circle name, also remove them and leave up your circle if you want. And that is it. That is now you're ready to start up using Life 360 to keep the track of your loved ones, stay connected, and ensure safety. It is super easy app to use. I hope this video helped you to get started. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. And if you have got any questions or need help with something else, you can just drop a comment below. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.